So if you have got a broken glass on your phone and you are thinking, man, how do I fix it without spending a fortune? Well, I got you covered. First off, grab your phone with the broken glass. Of course, now you just need a replacement glass, a hairdryer, and maybe an old X-ray sheet or anything thin and hard you can slide between the glass and the phone. And if you're feeling fancy, some glue or tape and a cleaning cloth could also come in handy, but that's totally optional. Alright, let's dive in. First step, set the hairdryer heat to high and apply heat to all corners of the broken glass. Apply the heat evenly and avoid holding the dryer in one place. We don't want to fry anything inside, so keep it moving. Once it's nicely heated, grab that X-ray or whatever you found and gently slide it between the glass and the phone. Keep it going until you counter any resistance. And if you face it from the adhesive inside, heat that portion again before proceeding. Take it slow, especially around the buttons where there might be some flex cable lurking. Now if your phone has a fingerprint sensor attached to the broken back glass, repeat the heating process to separate the sensor from the glass. Apply heat around it and gently pry and push from the opposite side until it comes off. Clean the fingerprint sensor by removing any excess residue. And this is where the optional glues and tape mentioned earlier come into play. If your phone has a fingerprint sensor like this, apply any glue or tape as required. After applying the adhesive, carefully attach it to the new glass back and align it precisely. That's it. The challenging part is done. Alright, now for the phone. Give it a good wipe down to get rid of any leftover gunk from the old glass. Clean lenses are crucial, so don't skip this step. Once cleaned, ensure there is no dust on the camera lens. If there is, clean it with a microfiber cloth. Avoid using regular cloth or paper as they may damage the lens. Remove the plastic protectors from the adhesive of the new glass back. Reconnect the fingerprint sensor to the motherboard and begin placing the glass from top side near the camera. Once properly settled, align it with the rest of the phone and apply some pressure with your fingers to secure it properly. And there you have it. You just fixed your phone like a pro, all by yourself, and saved a bundle in the process. Now if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more handy tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.